Hi, I'm Rob, musician and energy professional, and this is Energy Rob number 1. ICEs versus EVs. 1. Heat loss. ICEs waste about 70% of fuel energy as heat, and EVs waste about up to 20%, making them far more efficient. In other words, EVs convert a much higher proportion of the overall energy need into propulsion. 2. Demand side management. In other words, when you plug your car in at home and you set it to charge overnight, you're utilising all that energy that's wanting to go somewhere from the offshore wind farms, so they don't have to be turned off, curtailed, and you get your cheap electricity and you reduce the overall peak need on the grid. 3. Air quality. No tailpipe emissions. Yes, that was a sheep. 4. Increasingly cleaner batteries. No longer with nickel or cobalt in LFP batteries, and the emergence of sodium-ion batteries, getting much cleaner. And once mined, a lot of those metals in the lithium-ion can be used forever and recycled. 5. Brakes. And at the moment, EVs are about 15% higher than their ICE counterparts, but with the regenerative braking, there's much less wear on the brake discs, and therefore much less brake dust pollution, even though the tyres take a bit more wear. 6. You're far less exposed to the impact of fossil fuel conflicts, and your electricity's not going to get stuck in the Strait of Hormuz. 7, and this is the top gear bit. Quiet, instant torque, constant acceleration. Have you seen Formula E? In summary, EVs offer much lower carbon dioxide emissions, much lower costs, and more enjoyable drive, in my opinion. But if you want absolute zero carbon travel, on your bike. Source is in the description.